Would you be down to do a quick interview?
Sure, sure.
Oh, you're the best. All right, we're good. What's your name?
I'm Chris.
Chris. Neil, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell me a little bit about your car?
Yeah, well, it's a 1989 Nissan Silvia. It was a Q's, so it was non-turbo originally, but now it's turbo with the SR20 from an S14 Silvia, so it's a newer generation. And pretty much fully restored. It was repainted by Superlife, if you've heard of him. Full like windows out respray. Engine was pretty much rebuilt and tuned. Made like 305 to the wheels. Got these custom-made Blitz wheels for it, 17 by 9 and 10 in the rear.
Can you tell me a little bit about the rebuild on the engine?
Yeah, pop the hood.
That would be great.
Pretty much did everything down to every nut and bolt.
Really? Wow. Wow.
It was the head was built by Mosworks. Bottom end is OEM still, but it's like new water pump, oil pump, new Tomei exhaust manifold, Garrett 2871R turbo, Greddy intercooler,
Yeah.
Greddy oil filter relocation.
It looks great.
Thanks. Yeah, it sent everything out. Everything got re-zinc plated, so all the nuts and bolts, so everything got touched up.